On the communication show today to communicate again our strategy when it comes to the subscription model that is the LegalShield membership. Now, we're all familiar with subscription models, whether you have a Netflix account, Spotify, or a bazillion other subscriptions that now exist out there. I'm sure you have many different subscriptions that are coming off your bank account or your card on a monthly basis, and LegalShield is no different. We're exactly that. We are a subscription-based model that allows our members on an ongoing basis to pay that subscription and then have the services available to them when they need access to our services. And because we are a subscription-based model, like all subscriptions, we also work to bring our older subscriptions, our older members, current with our current price strategy and our current plan feature set. It's really important that we do that because otherwise you end up, number one, with a whole bunch of different plan features out there with a lot of different price points. And most importantly, it doesn't allow us, if we have members that are paying a price from 20 years ago or 10 years ago or 5 years ago, it doesn't allow us to compensate the provider law firms so that they can provide excellent service when your members call in. So currently, we have the good, better, best price structure and feature set. The good plan being $29.95, the better plan being the preferred plan at $37.95, and then the best plan being the premium plan at $49.95.